student from Jose C. Feliciano College Foundation, and I'm doing my internship at Traarter under Marketing Department. Honestly po, ang bilis po ng time. At first po, medyo kinakabahan po ako kasi this is my first real work setup po. And thankful po ako kasi natapos ko po yung internship ko sa Traarter, and I'm very proud and thankful for the experience. Mga learnings ko po dito sa Traarter is to manage the tasks step by step and follow instruction properly, and to adapt quickly in the office environment. Overall po, maganda po yung experience sa Traarter. Na-expose po kami sa actual tasks, mga responsibilities po na di ko po na-experience sa school. Mamimiss ko po dito sa Traarter is during office hour and sa mga marketing department po. All throughout, sila po yung nag-guide and nag-push sa internship ko po as a marketing student.